In this video, we will show how to change the location of level labels in a Sankey chart for Excel. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Level Properties pen to change the location of level labels. Click on the Text section. By default, the location of level labels is set to bottom. You can change the location of level labels from bottom to top and vice versa. Click on the Apply button. The level labels are now placed on the top. Click on the Save Changes button. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.